This is a tour around room 1610 at the Waldorf Astoria on the Bund in Shanghai. So, as soon as you walk through the main entrance, you come into the walk-in closet. Got some extra bedding up there. We've got some robes, ironing boards. I'm not in here yet. We've got some slippers down there. We've got the safe, laundry bags, more shoe horns. And then next to that is the very large bathroom. Got a great big mirror there. Look at this when you open the toilet. Automatic seat, very fancy. You got his and hers basins. What have we got in here? Lots of sewing kits, sanitary bag, shower caps, 2 dental kits. Got the shower in here. Rain shower. Very nice, all marble throughout the bathroom as well. And you've got a bath as well. Then you come into the main bedroom area. This is 2 queens with a superior river view. But before I show you the view, let's see what we've got here. So we've got a coffee machine, lots of pods in there. All your teacups are in there. A couple of complimentary bottles of water. Bed area. Yeah, let's see what we've got over here. Notepad and pen. USB sockets. Clock. TV on the wall. Blu-ray disc as well in there. Then we've got the desk area with Holly there by the desk. Matthew lazing about, enjoying himself there. But this is what I'm paying for. This view here. Get ready. Let it just expose. That's our view. Pudong Skyline view. Absolutely amazing. That's the reason why I paid quite a lot of money to stay here for one night. So we could stay and watch that view. Absolutely amazing. One last look at the room. There's Holly there.
There's some drawers with stuff in.
Oh yeah, some drawers with stuff in. So just the standard kind of stationery and envelopes you see in there. Anything in that one? Breakfast in bed menu, but we have got breakfast included, but we'll go down for breakfast tomorrow morning. Everything in there. Next to the desk there's some more plug sockets. No USB, so surprisingly, by here. Just some 3 lots of sockets there. And that's the room. Very happy with this room, aren't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to make use of the facility soon by going to the swimming pool on floor 3. So I hope you've enjoyed this room tour around the Waldorf Astoria on the Bund in Shanghai. Stay tuned for lots more videos around Shanghai and around China on our epic China trip. If you found this video useful, please think about liking, subscribing and hitting that notification bell button. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye.